Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you a little mini eyeshadow tutorial using the Take Me Back to Brazil palette from BH Cosmetics. So to start out the look, I'm going to be taking this orange shade right here and I'm going to be running that through my crease, and I'm going to be using that as our transition shade. Now I don't pick up a hell of a lot on my brush just because these are really pigmented, but they also do give off a lot of powder. Then I actually mixed this in with the vibrant color, which is just one down below, and mixed them together. Then I took this kind of deep orangey red and I used this on a more dense brush, and I packed this right through the crease, and I didn't really blend it up, I just packed it in there. I went ahead and cut the crease using some concealer, and then I just took the white from the palette. There's two different whites, a shimmer one and a non-shimmer, and I just used that. Then I just packed on that vibrant orange that I was talking about before. I think the best coverage is with your finger, and then I added that same red, packed it on in the corner with my finger. Then I took my ColourPop black gel eyeliner and with this horrible e.l.f. brush tried to apply it. It didn't end up working. It didn't look as much of a disaster as it does here. Then to finish off with some Roller Lash by Benefit and actual eyelashes from Arundel, that is the finished look. Hope you enjoyed it.